How to get the transcript of a YouTube video? Hello everyone, in this video, I'll guide you how to get the YouTube video transcript directly from YouTube itself. Before that, if you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing my YouTube channel. Thank you. So let's get started. Firstly, find and open the video you want to access the transcript for. Let me open video from my channel here. As you notice, recently YouTube has made some feature changes to the app. Thus, the arrangement of the feature is slightly different from previous. If you've done this before, you may be thinking you used to go and click on the three dots over to the right, and there was then a Show Transcript button. But that's now changed. In this new YouTube update, the transcript is located under description of the video. So what you need to do is go and expand the description. Scroll down a little bit. If a transcript is available, you'll see the Show Transcript option. Now, click on it, and you'll be able to view the transcript alongside the video on the right side. It's got time codes along the side, and you'll notice as you click through the transcript, the video syncs with wherever you have clicked. By the way, if you want to remove those time codes, you can do that easily. What you need to do is just click on three vertical dot on the upper right corner of the transcript. You can see the words toggle timestamps show up. If you click on that, the time code will not showing up. Just to let you know, YouTube doesn't provide a direct feature to download the transcript of a video. However, you can access and copy the transcript text manually if it's available. To do that, you can just select the text within the window and copy it. Just click on one end of the text and then you hold it while you are scrolling. Then, press the Command Ctrl+C on your PC or laptop. And then you can open up any word processor software of your choice. Once open up, paste in there by pressing Ctrl+V. And now you have successfully copied the transcript of YouTube video, and there you have it. Those are the way for accessing the transcript of a YouTube video. Whether it's for study, research, or simply understanding content better, having access to a transcript can be incredibly helpful. I hope this video was informative. Thanks for watching.